I'm super excited to show you this house. This is probably one of the most unique houses that I've seen. We're here in Belchertown at 5 Laurel Ridge Drive. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, before we go inside to meet Liz from Berkshire Hathaway, HomeServices Realty Professionals, let's take a lap around this total wraparound porch. Liz, we're here!
Hi, come on.
Yes!
Hey.
Why don't you show us around this awesome place? So
All right,
we're gonna
let's take
start that way. Let's roll.
This house is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bathroom house situated on 1.88 acres of land in Belchertown, Massachusetts. It's approximately 2,800 square feet. This home was built in 1990 by the current owner, and this is the first time it is available for sale. Some of the features and updates on this home include a new roof on the home and the detached garage. A brand new AC condenser and furnace will be installed. There's also a brand new water heater. The 2-car garage and the garage that is underneath the house both have a workspace. There are granite countertops in the kitchen. There are panoramic views all around, which you will see through multiple sliding doors. The floors are yellow pine, along with the beams that you'll find throughout the house. There are 4 different heating systems, which includes central heat and AC, as well as a wood stove on the first floor and a gas stove in the lower level. There are 2 bathrooms, and in one bathroom, you'll find a jacuzzi tub, and in the lower level bathroom, you'll find a sauna. Recently, we exposed the koi pond, which can be easily brought back to life. The landscaping includes numerous flowering trees, which flower at different points throughout the season. And there is also a York main spiral staircase going down to the lower level. This home has full wraparound decks all around the entire first floor, and the lower level also has decks.
Yeah, you just saw it. Like I said, this is a super unique property. Thanks, Liz, for showing us around. If you agree, you want to see this property, you really got to see it firsthand. Reach out to Liz. She's here to help. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. See you next time on Local Look. We're out of here.